was sent to me to do a review, an honest review. So if you are like me and you do love a good handbag and you really do not have a problem with anything that looks designer inspired, as I don't, you know, some of us have the real things, some of us have designer inspired things. I personally find it very difficult to know the difference, but if you're in the market for a new handbag and you like what I'm about to show you, I will pop all the links to everything down in the description box. I'll also pop a link across here on the screen. Please excuse the state of me. I've already said it's been a manic day and we've been out and got dog and done all sorts of things today, but I thought I'd share it because I wanted to get it out with this video. So the bag that I chose, well, I'll show you the packaging. I'll take a photograph and put it on the screen because the packaging is so beautiful. The box is gorgeous, it's magnetic, and it opens like this, and then inside you have paperwork, etc. So as I've already said, and like some of the ones that I've already shown you in the past, they do come with lots of bits of paperwork. I have unboxed and reviewed bags from this same company before, so if I can remember to find the link, I'll pop it in the description box for you. But this one comes in a beautiful sort of silky satin dust cover with Dior written on it and a beautiful swan. Just slide that out, and this is what the bag is like. So this time I thought I'd go for something a little different, something a little bit more kind of classic, I guess. And it's this beautiful black quilted leather, the typical designer pattern work and everything. It's got the little feet on the bottom to protect the bag, so you just take this off. I'm very much looking forward to using it. So you've got the little feet on the bottom. What I particularly like about this one is that they're not gold, they're actually black, so they don't really or they're not silver hardware, they're black, so nothing sort of stands out different. It's all very just sleek and classic. Okay, so that's a little look around the bag. Obviously, as you can see, it is a little grab handle bag. The handles are protected and it's tied with a ribbon that says Dior on it. So I'm going to take the protective layers off the straps, off the two handles. There we go. So it comes beautifully packaged. And then also you've got protection here on the hardware here, on the little hinge bits where the actual handles are. Come on then, do you want me to get that box out of your bay? Oh, you know you're clever. You're clever girl, yeah. Right, so that's the last one to unpeel, and then I'll do a little close-up for you. It does actually say on the hardware here around the handles, it does say CD. Do you know, it feels lovely to hold. It's a really comfy bag to hold. It feels really nice, very substantial as well. Okay, so let's open the bag. So there we are, that's what the bag looks like on the top. It has a little Dior pouch here, which I think is, yes, it's protecting some of the decorative hardware on the bag. So this has, I will give you close-ups of all of these in a minute. So to open the bag, so you've got this, got a little flap here, and you just pull the flap up like this. Lovely. Inside you've got the crossbody strap, which I'll show you. And then you've got, which I'm kind of liking a lot at the moment, are bags that are not too big, but have got like just one compartment. I find I can get more in it. I might be like, you know, rummaging down the bottom for it, but I do really like them at the moment. Okay, so the bag itself, it's just one big compartment. It does have a slip pocket here, and on the side of the wall over here, it has a zip compartment. Right, so this is the pattern of the bag. So that's the bag, just holding it by the handle. If you want to pop it into the small of your arm, you can do. And of course, have it crossbody or as a shoulder bag. But just look how beautiful that is. What a lovely gift. Somebody you know really likes handbags, please take a look at the website. There are so many handbags to choose from that I'm sure there's something there for everyone. I certainly, well, I could have like chosen all of them. But I'm very happy with this one. It's amazing. And Sunny, thank you so much for sending me yet again another bag to unbox and to review. As always, I'm over the moon with every bag that I receive. Thank you so much.
Whoa, oh, oh, da 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 da, oh, oh, da 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 da, oh, oh, da 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 da, making our Christmas memories.